Welcome to Handle King DIY Tip of the Week. Today I'm going to show you how you can measure and cut your wood accurately. So, take your tape measure. I'm going to be cutting a 20 centimetre, 200mm length. Mark the wood on both sides using your measure. You can use your saw as a set square to ensure a perfectly straight line. Push the saw up to the edge of the wood and then draw the line along your cut marks. When you're sawing the wood, ensure that the blade of the saw is slightly to the edge of your cut line so that you don't undercut and end up with a piece of wood that's shorter than the required length.